Under Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, the concept of restitution of conjugal rights is addressed. It deals with the right of both spouses to live together as a married couple, and if either spouse has withdrawn from the other without any reasonable cause, the court may decree restitution of conjugal rights. Let's explore this concept in detail. Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, when either the husband or the wife has, without reasonable excuse, withdrawn from the society of the other, the aggrieved party may apply, by petition to the district court, for restitution of conjugal rights, and the court, on being satisfied of the truth of the statements made in such petition and that there is no legal ground why the application should not be granted, may decree restitution of conjugal rights accordingly. Explanation. The provision's primary aim is to encourage reconciliation and promote the continuation of marriage. It allows an aggrieved spouse to approach the court seeking a decree for restitution of conjugal rights when the other spouse has voluntarily withdrawn from the marital home without any valid reason. The term, conjugal rights, refers to the rights and obligations of both spouses to live together as a married couple and to cohabit as husband and wife. Conditions for filing the petition. To file a petition for restitution of conjugal rights under Section 9, certain conditions must be met. The petitioner must be legally married to the respondent under the Hindu Marriage Act. The petitioner should be living separately from the respondent due to the respondent's withdrawal from the marital home without reasonable cause. The petitioner should not have any legal ground to refuse the restitution of conjugal rights. Legal grounds for refusal. There are specific legal grounds on which the court may refuse to grant a decree for restitution of conjugal rights. Adultery. If the petitioner has committed adultery, the court may refuse the decree. Cruelty. If the petitioner has been subjecting the respondent to cruelty, the court may refuse the decree. Desertion. If the respondent proves that the petitioner deserted them first, the court may refuse the decree. Court proceedings. When a petition for restitution of conjugal rights is filed, the court will undertake the following proceedings. Verification of the statements. The court will verify the truth of the statements made in the petition. Opportunity for reconciliation. The court may provide an opportunity for reconciliation and suggest counseling to the parties if it deems fit. Legal grounds examination. The court will examine whether there are any legal grounds for refusing the decree. Decree. If the court is satisfied with the petitioner's claims and there are no legal grounds for refusal, it may pass a decree for restitution of conjugal rights. Enforcement of decree. Once the court issues a decree for restitution of conjugal rights, the aggrieved spouse can request the court for enforcement. If the other spouse still fails to comply with the decree, it may be used as evidence in subsequent divorce proceedings.